first. My friend will then ask you some questions also.
Well, first of all, it's most important to state that it's about time that the courts came into the 21st century in terms of using technology, and this is the largest and busiest court in the country, and it's a very good place for it to be trialled, because if it can work here, it can work anywhere.
First of all, let's deal with the provision of Wi-Fi in court. This is a very considerable development and can only be of benefit to the defence. For instance, it allows me to access my case files and my client files from within the courtroom. I don't have to bring to court a pile of documents, many of which are often secure documents, or I need to keep under very tight security conditions.
The second piece is that we're using a live link so that a police officer can give evidence from a police station. It's presented on the screens in court and is questioned by the prosecutor and the defence representative.
That's the area that you saw Mr. Doe.
ABC, the bookmakers in the High Street, King's Heath.
And so gives his evidence over the live link, doesn't have to come to court, doesn't lose any time waiting to give evidence, and can get on with other duties whilst he's at the police station waiting to give evidence. And that's something that we've been trialling in the West Midlands for a number of months now.
A number of different technologies we use. The first is ClickShare. What ClickShare enables us to do is to share any documents that we have on our laptops straight with the court, and so it beams on all the different screens here. In fact, we had a recent case just a couple of weeks ago where it was a public order offence. All the evidence was on CCTV, there were no witnesses. We were able to request it from the police the day before the trial. Within 2 hours we had it in our hands, we viewed it and thought, great, this shows the evidence, this shows the actual incident. Brought it to court, played it for the defence using ClickShare, and the defendant pleaded guilty upon seeing the video evidence. That's only been enabled by the use of this technology, because ordinarily we would never have got it to court so quickly. It would have taken at least 4 weeks.
Digital courts are certainly the way forward for the future. There's no question about that. Everybody else has been brought into the modern day era. The courts have to here as well, and it's fairly obvious that people are, in all the various different areas, using technology on a regular basis. We need to integrate it into bringing up into court and speeding up justice.